co-authors of this project. I'm Jovelyn Brier together with my co-developers Ram de Guzman and Andre Sarsalejo. And today we will be presenting our museum booking website. As developers, our team collaborated from start to finish, planning the design, coding, and features, and integrating the database to make the system functional. The purpose of our museum booking website is to make it easier for user to reserve museum visit online. It allows user to input their names, choose their preferred visit date, and select type ticket or tour they want. In presentation, we will explain why we chose this concept, how the website works, and the design pattern we use in developers. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Hello, my name is Andre Josh. Let's get technical for a second and let's take a look on how does our code work and how does our chosen pattern design correlates in relation to our code and website overall. So before I proceed, let me explain what is even a factory design type pattern. So in the factory method, a creation design pattern, developers create objects with a common interface but allow a class differ instantiation to subclasses. The factory method promotes loose coupling and code reuse, a virtual constructor that works with any class, implementing the interface and allowing greater freedom for the subclasses to choose the objects being created. So in factory method, we don't necessarily create a new item or a new line of code. Instead, we take an existing line of code, the variables and the classes, and we take the information to create a new one. Not necessarily creating a new line of code, but instead we're taking from existing ones in order to create our ticket. So in our ticket code part here in create ticket, our constant is ticket and the variables are ID, ticket ID, name, our name, the date of the viewing, the type, whether it's premier, regular, or VIP, together with the price and whether it's paid or false, and the booking date, whether it's new. So here we don't create a new line of code where we type the ID, name, date separately. Instead, the system takes the info we inserted in ID ticket, name, date, type, price, and paid, and then it compresses it or it joins them together to create the ticket itself. So by the definition of the factory classes, it reuses a code, the virtual constructor, and allows greater freedom for subclasses to choose the objects being created. That's our explanation for the factory method type design. So for our database implementation together with our website, we chose a local connection. So instead of using a separate database, which is also very big, we opted for the option of integration. We integrated the database inside of the website coding system itself. So instead of looking at it as the website, it takes from the website and then the website gives back to the website. Instead, we integrated the database hidden inside our website, so whenever the user types or inputs a information, it doesn't take long for the website server taking from the database server. It's already integrated, so they communicate very closely, like this close. They're together, so they don't have to necessarily take a longer time to borrow information or send or receive as well. So that's our database connection chosen, and I hope you understand it. To check if the database is actually working, why don't you check the link yourself? Check the website if the ticket you inputted would actually be saved into the database, and you can access it even though you've refreshed and you exited the website. So here, let's take a look. Here, let's enter a name. Let's try mine. Okay, Josh. Select a date. 13th day. Let's go premium. Book ticket. Now let's look at the booking history. Here's mine, Andrea Josh. It's still unpaid. Let's try to refresh it. Still there. Now let's try to pay it. So it says paid now. It's been paid there. Now let's try to refresh it again. It's still there. Now let's try to delete it. Oh, before we delete it, let's try if exiting the website still works. So let's exit it. Load up the link. And let's check it. It's still there. Here. And now let's try to delete it. Delete it from the database. Refresh. It's deleted. Try opening it again. And it's still there. Now this shows that our integrated local database is working in tandem to our website.
Good day everyone, I'm Raman Guzman, one of the developers of our final project, which is called the Ticketing Museum. The Ticketing Museum is an online platform that allows users to conveniently book and manage museum tickets. The system enables users to choose their viewing type, standard, premium, or VIP, specify their desired date, and automatically generate a ticket ID for confirmation. It aims to simplify the process of purchasing museum tickets while ensuring accuracy, accessibility, and convenience for both users and administrators. Through a clear and minimal design, the website ensures that users can easily book, check their booking status, and view their ticket information without needing any technical knowledge. This digital approach reduces manual work, minimizes booking errors, and provides a modern solution for ticket management. In conclusion, the Ticketing Museum effectively demonstrates how design patterns and usability principles can combine to produce a functional, organized, and a user-friendly system. By applying the factory design pattern, the project achieves a clean, modular structure that simplifies ticket creation and enhances maintainability. Through its clear interface, reliable performance, the website provides an efficient digital solution for museum visitors, transforming the traditional ticketing process into a smooth, accessible online experience. Thank you.